The Competence Formula. Find and reach your goals faster and with less stress. To be able to do this, you need to improve your competence. But what is that? Everybody knows that competence consists of knowledge, but without the desire to use this knowledge, nothing will happen. In addition to this, it is absolutely crucial to develop the ability to use the knowledge at least at the same level as we have the desire to use it. What we have said so far can be expressed in the competence formula, where competence equals knowledge, X will, X ability. If one of the elements in the formula is 0, the competence is 0. Nobody uses the expression competent for an infant. One of the reasons for this is that the knowledge is the equivalent to 0. An infant expresses one of the elements in the competence formula, the will, just seconds or minutes after birth. It is apparent that the infant has a desire, and that desire is known as temper. The only ability a child is born with, visible to the surroundings, is the ability to eat and to reach for things. Children, of course, have more abilities, but they don't have the ability to utilize them. That's why we can say that an infant's performance is at a minimum. As a child grows, it acquires more knowledge and it trains to do things. The child is developing its abilities. Up until a child starts school, the learning is mostly desirable, pleasurable. They learn what they need to do, and they do what they desire here and now. Therefore, we can say that it is a good correlation between what they know and what they have the ability to do. Since we never say that a child doesn't have the will to walk, we can say that the desire or will in this stage of life is more than sufficient to succeed in a continuous learning process. When they start school, children acquire knowledge faster than they have the ability to utilize it. They acquire much of the knowledge they need to be a part of society and work life, but since they mainly spend their time at school and at home, they don't have the ability to practice utilizing the knowledge. Most of the knowledge they will not see the need for, and they wouldn't think about utilizing it even if they had the opportunity. Therefore, they harvest few, if any, of the experiences with what they learn, and they do not develop their ability in any particular way. When we enter the work life, a continuous acquiring of special knowledge starts in the form of information about the workplace, as well as vocational courses. By asking the following question, you will find out why the competence pillars are growing. What could you be doing right now to improve your life quality, your relations, your health, and the results you achieve in work? Most people are able to write a page or two as an answer to this question fairly quickly. When they don't act upon what they know, it is mainly due to lack of will or the ability to do it. Remember, the question is, what could you be doing? It is extremely important to know this when the moment occurs where you have the opportunity to achieve something significantly larger or better in life. It is possible to spot such opportunities with the ability you have today. But you will not understand how you are going to access the opportunity. To take the opportunity, you have to do something, and what you do resides your ability. Project developing your competence makes you develop all 3 columns of the competence formula to make them equally large. From that point on, you will do what you know. You will find knowledge about self-management, leadership, and goals that are so attractive that you automatically will mobilize the desire or will you need to reach your goals. This knowledge is about the development of teams, individuals, and collective ability. Practical use of the knowledge through concrete tasks will automatically make you optimize the use of the desire or will you are born with to achieve more. This will mobilize all of your available resources. The knowledge is given in the form of training videos. By viewing the videos repeatedly, you will automatically develop the abilities you need to utilize the opportunities you have discovered or heard about. Start your project on developing your competence by viewing our message on our webpage. If you go to the sitemap, you will find an overview of everything you need to systematically increase your abilities and your speed. The world has more than enough knowledge to address all the big challenges. Humans only lack the will and the ability to cooperate.